Hey, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and today we are shooting a video about the best solo ads traffic vendors and solo ads traffic in general. Hey, if you're here for the first time on our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay updated about the videos that we upload on a daily basis. Sounds a little bit hollow today. I'm white, dressed in white, the wind is white. We are moving to Costa Rica, and so I'm sitting here in an almost empty house. But I'm devoted. I want to shoot this video for you. But let's dive into solo ads traffic and the best solo ad vendors out there. So what is a solo ad? Basically, a solo ad, if you don't know, solo ads is that you are using other people's lists, other people's contact list to get people on to send them your offer instead of your own list if you do not have a list yourself yet. And I know on this channel we talk a lot about Instagram, and for us Instagram is a big traffic source. We have about 50-60 leads every single day from Instagram. And but if you really want to scale up, make things faster, then a paid traffic source is a great solution. But solo ads, where to go to and what are the best solo ad vendors out there? Solo ads traffic for me in the beginning was a really abracadabra, and I had no idea where to go. I watched videos on YouTube. People recommended me things, and I went to sites like Udemy. Let me share with you Udemy, if that's here. Here, Udemy is a marketplace for solo ads, and yes, you can go here. You can get good deals, but still, for me, it was. Yeah, it's okay. I give this a try. I give that one a try. But it's still hopping, and I did not feel comfortable with it because I don't know. For me, solo ads was really like, okay, I throw in some money, and things come out, but you're not aware. And if you're not that experienced yet, and you're wondering, hey, is my capture page, is that is that good? Will it convert, or do I first have to spend $500 and to see that it didn't? So that is, or you use your company's capture page, but everybody else is using that capture page. And if you do not know, I lost the money because I don't know if I was whipped off, but I didn't do it in the correct way. So what you want to search for with solo ads is not the cheapest. You want to have the best traffic that converts. I mean, it's better to buy expensive traffic and that really converts in sales so that you make money, instead of very cheap traffic that nobody buys from. So you spend the money, you have very cheap clicks, but nobody buys or opens your emails. Besides that, it's very important that you have your email ready, your autoresponder. And I think if you want to succeed in the business of making money online, affiliate marketing, you want to have the best guidance out there that is possible. So Udemy is a great place. I went there, I tested, but I was not convinced. I was not satisfied. I did not see the results that I wanted, so I moved on. And I was thinking, hey, what are all the top earners in the industry? What source are they using? So we are working online for the last 5 years. So we made our contacts. We hit many leaderboards in different companies, and so we had our contacts as well. And we reached out and we found this place. And let me show and just show. He's called Igor, and Igor is an awesome guy. And actually, I want to show you this page. If you use the link below this video in the description, it brings you to this page. But it's not just this page. It will also give you the opportunity to get a risk-free first apply, actually, if you want to test this out. He guarantees 30% opt-in, and if it's not there, if it does not read, he will just continue until you have it, or you will not be charged extra. It is just a service, but also he will provide you a capture page that converts in your industry. And he will also be very honest if your product does not resonate with his traffic. He will also be honest to say no. But that is not all. I just want to go through here. Igor welcomes you. He has a ton of videos in every page where you land. You will find a video of Igor explaining you where to go and what to do next and why certain things are important. Their traffic is really, really great. And I do not just say that. I want to show you here. I'm just running a campaign July 5th. I ordered, and starting date August 22. I went through the whole process. So it can take once you order this. First you have the process of creating creating the page and correcting and writing your emails and have everything prepared. And I was booked for August. That is not correct. August 22. So I'm not sure what these dates actually are, because today it is, let me say here, today's date. What does it say? It is Monday, July 23. So let me go back here, and I think this should be, let me go here. Where is it? I know I lost that. Here it is. So this should be July 22, because yesterday it started, and I have 880 clicks and 151 clicks are delivered. Let me refresh the page if I can do here. So you see that 160 clicks are delivered. I have 136 opt-ins, and they are delivered in my Aweber account, and that is also correct. It's interesting to see if I can refresh here. It stays 136. So that is cool. And you see, I just want to check. I was also curious because, of course, I'm running this campaign, right? But I'm really mind blown. That's 85% opt-in rate. And as far as I know now, in the offer I had here, it's a high ticket offer. There's no sales yet. I can see that, but up to now, there's no sales yet. Maybe now, because 1 hour ago it was 150 clicks. So this will be an ongoing, I think, spread out in about 3 days, 2 or 3 days, that all the 880 clicks are delivered. But 85% opt-in rate, I'm really, really impressed. So this is building, and the great thing is that when you get started, Igor sends you this mug. I can see this. I love list building. I love the list building lifestyle. I really appreciated that. So that was funny. But Igor is really, they make a lot of it. Before we email back and forth. They're responsive. If you have any questions, they're there to answer them. So this is really, here you say if you do not, if your solo ad doesn't convert, you don't pay. So that is really a great thing. So the best thing to do to get started with Igor is to click the link below this video in the description, because that will give you the opportunity to have, to get this risk-free solo ad application. And just fill out this form, and how did you hear from us? Feel free to reach out to fill out my name. It's Dirk, and really appreciate it. And just say hi, and you just submit this application form, and then you get on the next page where they exactly tell you everything to do. So they reach out to you, and you can ask all your questions. I started with 500 clicks, because that is a total that is an amount of clicks that will give you will tell you more about your offer and how it converts and how everything works. So that is definitely something recommended. What I did, I became a VIP, because, like I said, if you start solo ads, you want to do let me go back. So if you're doing solo ads, you want to do this on a continuous basis. So make sure that you figure out a budget that you can afford every month, and do it at least for 3-4 months in a row on a steady basis. So what I did is I became a VIP member. It is $4.97 every month. But what do you get for the $4.97 every month? First of all, you get 300 clicks every single month. So that is a good thing. So you get your traffic. It's not like, oh, I threw it away, I become a VIP member and I do not have money for traffic. No, you get 300 clicks per day, per month. So that's basically 10 clicks per day. And with this opt-in rate, I am really enthusiastic about that. So that is something that will keep going. Next to that, they have the VIP club. And he offers for that 1 hour coaching every month with Igor, and he's an expert in solo ads. So I was thinking, hey, I can say I know everything, but I do not know everything about solo ads. So I'm very excited about going through the first coaching call with Igor. I've not booked yet because we are moving. I connected with him and I say, hey, I'm gonna put a little bit further, but definitely want to do that. But they have VIP training, a lot of podcasts. They have mindset training, email marketing training, and this is this is priceless. I mean, we are emailing a lot for a long time, and this is really Muriel's thing. But she is like, wow! If I've known this, before our open rates went up, and it is just really, really great what is all in here. Leadership training, all these things, needed to succeed. He has a book club, so he recommends books to read. He has podcasts, and Igor is a guy who says what he does. He's not. You need to read the book, and he has not read it himself. So I can really recommend to work with Igor for your solo ads and to really proceed in your marketing and in your online marketing business. There's a Facebook group. Let me see if I open it up. Yes, there's a Facebook group, and people having results. I wrote an ebook. Igor, I already got a sale, and this is happening. This was July 20th, Saturday, so 2 days ago. You see the list building book. So now I'm thinking, what do I do with it? We are moving to Costa Rica with 2 suitcases each, so now I have a mug with the lifestyle list building lifestyle. But I love it. I might bring it and for that purpose. So guys, I really, really can recommend if you want to scale up your business and it's in the making money industry or affiliate marketing industry, then Igor is a good fit. There's coaching, there is knowledge, there's feedback, they respond. I can show you a little bit about, if I can, the emails back and forth, and you see July 1st, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So they respond fast, and that is something that I like. If you want to, if you're going to spend and invest money into your business, you want to do it somewhere where somebody responds very, very quickly to that. So these are my results for my solo ads, and I think this is my experience up to now. This is the best solo ads traffic out there, and Igor is definitely a great solo ad vendor. And I do recommend them from the Freedom Lifestyle Academy. So that being said, I hope this was helpful to walk you through. By the way, you do not have to worry about writing the emails. You do not have to worry about, you just have your link. And you give them the link and they create the capture page. And it's done. I love it. And great, great results. I'll keep you posted what's happening next. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like my video here, give me a thumbs up, and see you guys in another video. Bye.